Anyone who's using legal AI should be asking your vendors about zero data retention. It means that the AI provider that the software company is using, for example, if they're using OpenAI or Gemini or Anthropic, means that they do not keep your prompts or the outputs once the request is complete. So the large language model processes your input, gives you an answer, and then deletes that data. Now, without zero data retention, your prompts and your outputs can be logged and they can be stored by the AI provider, even if the software company that you've engaged with says that they don't use your data. So, as an example here, OpenAI has a default API that keeps data for up to 30 days for abuse monitoring, which means they can access that data. That really matters because if your data is stored or used for training, then pieces of it can resurface. Like imagine if you're drafting a sensitive M&A clause for a client and then a similar clause later appears when another user asks the model for language. Even a very small chance of that happening really undermines the confidentiality and privilege that you've worked so hard with. At Gavel, we never use your data to train our models, and we have zero data retention agreements with any AI models that we use, like OpenAI and others. That means that nothing is accessed, nothing is reused, and nothing is trained on by Gavel or the LLM. I'm Dorna at Gavel, and I talk about how lawyers use tech.